Today we show remote control function of tubular motor. First, we need to pair code. Press set button 2 seconds. Then press P2 button twice, and press up button. We can control the roller blind now. We can set limit stroke here. Press P2 button, press up button, then press P2 button here. Then we long press up button, run the motor to the upper limit we want to set and press pause button here. Long press the pause button to confirm the sight here. Then we long press down button, run the motor to the lower limit we want to set and press pause button here. Long press the pause button to confirm the sight here. The stroke is set successfully here. Press up button, and the roller blind will run to the sight we set here. Press down button, and the roller blind will run to the sight we set here. We show the speed regulation function here. Hold up button and pause button for a few seconds, then release the button here. Press up button, the roller blind speed is faster. Hold down button and pause button, then release the button here. Press down button, the roller blind speed is slower. Now we show how to change the direction here. Press P2 button twice, then press down button here. It changed the direction successfully. Now the control of open and close is opposite here. Now we show how to clear stroke here. Press P2 button, press down button, and then press P2 button here. Please the effect here. Now we show how to remove the remote stroke here. Press P2 button, press pause button, and then press P2 button again here. Remove the remote successfully. Now we cannot control the roller blind here.